All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is differentiation of algebraic fraction, and you remember your differentiation whereby you have x raised to the power of 3, y equals x raised to the power of 3, and you'll be asked to differentiate x to the power of 3. So that will be dy dx equals 3 multiplies 1, that will be 3x, then minus 1 from the power, that will be 2. So the differentiation of x raised to the power 3 is 3x raised to the power 2. But now we are using first principle to differentiate this. Follow me closely. Number 1, y equals x raised to the power of 3. And now in first principle, there's something we will do first, which is to attach delta y to y and delta x to x. So that will be y plus delta y. I'm attaching delta y to y, and anywhere I see x, I attach delta x. So x plus delta x. Now don't forget, x is carrying raised to the power 3. So what this means is that delta x is with x and delta y is with y to the power of 3. Don't forget, we are supposed to arrive at 3x squared. Now the next thing we are going to do is to expand this in 3 places because it is carrying raised to the power 3. Now let's do it one after the other. We have x delta x, x delta x. That is, we want to do it 2 places first. Now I'm using this method just for proper understanding for those that do not understand Pascal triangle method. So let me just go with this method, expansion method, easily. Now we have x, open this, x is multiplying everything here, that will be x plus delta x. Then also we have plus delta x multiplying x plus delta x. So x times x is x squared plus x times delta x delta x, plus delta x times x delta x. Then delta x times delta x, that delta x squared. Now you can plus these two together. We have x squared plus x delta x plus x delta, that will be 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Now this is for the multiplication of 2 of them, but don't forget we are going to 3 times, so we are still going to use 3, this same one of it to multiply it again. So we have x plus delta x times this, and so one of it multiplies everything all through like this. X open bracket x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared, then plus delta x is also multiplied us through, plus 2x delta x, then plus delta x squared. Now when I open this, that will be x times x squared, x raised to the power 3, plus x times 2x delta x, that will be 2x squared delta x, plus x times this, that will be x delta x squared, plus delta x times x squared, that will be x squared delta x. Then I have delta x times 2x delta x, that will be 2x delta x squared, because delta x is now 2. So delta x times delta x squared, that will be delta x all raised to the power 3. Now here we have some things that can plus, like this one can plus this, and then this can plus this. So we have x raised to the power 3 plus 2x squared delta x and x squared delta x, that will be what? 3x squared delta x for this. Then plus x delta x squared plus 2x delta x squared, that will be 3x delta x all squared plus delta x all raised to the power 3. So this right here is what we are going to get here. So I will need to put it here so that we will use it here. I hope you've taken that down. So we have y plus delta y equals, now when we open this one 3 places, we have x raised to the power 3 plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x all squared plus delta x all raised to the power 3. Now this is the expansion of this. Now the next thing we are going to do is to Okay, now we are not having bracket here anymore. Just now is to transfer y to the other side to make delta y to stand alone. So we have delta y equals x raised by 3 plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x all raised by 3 minus y is crossing to this place. Now since y is coming here, if you look at everything here, everything they are all in x, so let's replace y to be x raised by 3 since y is also x raised by 3 from here. So we have delta y equals x raised by 3 plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x all squared plus delta x all raised by 3 minus x raised by 3, because x raised by 3 is now y. They are the same thing, so we can use it for y. Now you agree with me that x raised by 3 minus x raised by 3, so they can minus each other. So we have this. Now the next thing is you divide all through by delta x, delta x, delta x, delta x, and delta x. So delta x here goes in delta x here, delta x here goes in delta x here 1, it remains 1. Delta x here goes here, it remains 2. So we have delta y delta x equals 3x squared plus 3x plus delta x all raised by 2. Now follow me to this place. The next thing is you use your limit delta y delta x when limit tends to 0. There's a rule in limit that says when delta y delta x, delta y over delta x, when delta x tends to 0, it's equals to dy dx. And so anywhere we see delta x, we put 0. Oh, there is delta x here. I thought as much. There is delta x here. So we have 3x delta x. This delta x. This is it here. So anywhere we see delta x, we put 0. So we have 3x squared plus 3x open bracket 0, because we have replaced delta x to be 0 plus 0 squared, which is this. So we have dy dx delta x delta y delta x tends to 0 is now dy dx, which is 3x squared. This guy has gone, this one too has gone, so we have 3x squared. And when you differentiate it normally, remember this rule of x raised by n. If you differentiate, that will be n s n minus 1, whereby you use your power to multiply what is here. That will be 3 times 1, which is 3, then minus 1 from here, that will be 2. So it's still the same thing as this, but this is first principle. This is your normal differentiation. Now the same approach we are still going to use for the next one. Now let's use the same approach for the next one. Now when we differentiate this in our normal differentiation, we have 2 times 5 is 10x. The minus 1 from here is raised by 1, which is 10x. The minus 3x, when we differentiate 3x is what? 3. So the next one, when we differentiate this is what we get. So using first principle, we have 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. I said the first thing we're going to do is to attach delta y and delta x to both sides. So y plus delta y equals 5x plus delta x all squared. That's for this. Then minus 3, attach delta x to this, then plus 2. 2 is not having delta x, so we are not attaching delta x to 2. Now we have attached delta x to this, we have attached delta x to this, then your 2 is standing alone. So we have y plus delta y equals, now this one again is in 2 places. We've done it before, but let's quickly look at it again. X open bracket x plus delta x plus delta x plus delta x. So we have x squared plus x delta x plus x delta x plus delta x all squared, which is x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x all squared. So when we expanded this one, remember in the last video, in the last example, when we expanded this one 2 times before we use it to multiply it again, this was what we got. So we have 5 open bracket x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. This is for this after expanding it by the power of 2. Don't forget your 5 is still outside. Minus 3 open bracket x plus delta x plus 2. Now with this now I can open up this bracket. So I have y plus delta y equals 5x squared. Then 5 times 2x, that will be what? 10x delta x plus 5 delta x squared minus 3x, then minus 3 delta x, because this minus 3 is opening this. Then you bring out your plus 2. Then the next thing is to bring your y to the other side. So we have delta y equals 5x squared plus 10x delta x plus 5 delta x squared minus 3x minus 3 delta x plus 2 minus your y. But let's replace it immediately instead of rewriting it again because of our time. So we are replacing, we are bringing y to this place. This is minus, then y. But replacing y, it will now be 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. Why there is minus there is because, why there is bracket there is because of this minus, so that the minus will expand the bracket. If you put it like that, you'll be wrong. So anytime you have it like this and you are replacing with something and then the minus is in front, you have to open up your bracket. So we have delta y equals 5x squared plus 10x delta x plus 5 delta x all squared minus 3x minus 3 delta x plus 2. Then open up this, you have minus 5x squared, then minus times minus is plus 3x, then minus 2. Now we can now minus the ones that can minus. So this one can minus this because 5x squared can minus 5x squared. We also have minus 3x can minus this. Minus 3x plus 3x is 0. Then we have plus 2 and minus 2. So now let's rewrite everything here. We have delta y equals 10x delta x plus 5 delta x squared minus 3 delta x. Is that all? Yeah, that's all. So you divide all through by what? By delta x, so that we can get our limit. Remember the limits in the previous video. So we have this cancel this remains 1, this cancel this. So we have delta y delta x equals 10x plus 5 delta x, then minus 3. So make your limit make delta x tends to 0 of your limit, which will be equals to dy dx. It is a rule in limits. So 10x plus 5 open bracket 0 minus 3. So equals 10x, this one has gone, minus 3. So that's dy dx. So you must have the same thing here. This is the normal differentiation and this is first principle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. God bless you all.